Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download DStv application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in web catalog and click on enter. Now, click on the first link, which is of webcatalog.io. Now, at the address bar here, type in DStv and click on enter. After that, click on this application here. Now, click on install on web catalog desktop. After that, you will need to download web catalog desktop. Simply click on this link and you will get a setup file like this. After that, click on this setup file and your download will be started. I have already downloaded web catalog and you will get the application like this. After that, open the web catalog application and at the search bar type in DStv. Here you can find your application. Select the application and click on install button here. After the installation is completed, click on open button to use DStv application on your PC. So that is how you can download DStv application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.